Hey everyone, so I'm going to do an unboxing today of a pen that I won. So I got to order it off Amazon and they sent me the money back. So it didn't take no time and the pen was only like $11. So not an expensive pen for diamond painting, and it is made out of acrylic. So let's see what we got. So you can see I'm opening the box. So here's the pen I got. Comes in a nice package. So if you're looking for not an expensive pen, but a unique pen, I would look on Amazon, and I'll put the link to this pen. And this pen is a little bit thicker, so it's not the thin pen. The company is R ME. So it's by R ME. So here's their little tag. They're on Facebook and Instagram and all that. And they are DP, Diamond Painting Handcraft pens, for all your needs. You can search for them on Instagram and all that. So little information there. But again, I'll link the pen. So this is one of their newer colors. So on this one side, it's really pretty in rainbow. So I'll show you. So can't really see it. It's really pretty. It has some pinks and yellow and a little bit of black. Well, I mean, it's a lot black, but I don't think you can see it clearly because of there it goes. But you see the color. It is a thicker pen. It comes with your standard 1-tip, and then it does have a 4-tip. And then it came with a, I think is this a 6-tip? Just get them out. So these are the thin tips. They're not the thicker tips. These are the thin tips. It comes with a straightener. So a straightener you can switch out, a 10 and a 7. So I really prefer to use 6 or 5, but I like these two. I have tried to use the 10. I can do a 7 once in a while. But it comes with 3 and then your 4. And it's not too heavy. It's a little bit heavier than a regular pen, but it is the thicker kind, so it's not the thin kind, which I have a green one that I won from another diamond painting contest, and I couldn't use it. It hurt my hand. So a lot of people have suggested to get the thicker pen. So this pen is only like $11 on Amazon, and it comes in different colors. So check it out. I can't wait to tell you guys how I felt about it. Again, it does have some color down there if you can see it. But I want it, got it for free, so I can't wait to use it. So it is a little thicker on the hand. So, I mean, I might be holding my pen wrong. You're probably supposed to hold it right here. But I can't wait to use it, and I hope you guys check it out. And don't forget to like my video if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe.